Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check out the analysis of other pairs, then check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can clearly see on the chart that things have not changed much, because Euro USD is still trading in a downward channel here, where this trend line or the trend line above is acting as a resistance and this trend line is acting as a support for the market. In simple words, the tendency of this chart is towards the downside and it is trading in a downward channel. Whenever market is going up, it is facing a resistance from a dynamic resistance. So if we join these levels, if we join these price levels, then we get a trend line, and this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance. Clear? And whenever market is coming down, it is taking support at a particular price level, and when we join these price levels, we get a dynamic support for the market. And if you have not drawn these lines in your charting platform, then I'll request you, my dear friend, please draw these lines in your charting platform so that you can analyze the chart better, so that you can understand the chart better. So we have got Euro USD in a channel. Clear. Apart from these two trend lines, you can see that I have got another red line drawn here, and in my earlier video I have clearly mentioned that this level is important for the market because this level belongs to the weekly chart. Yes, this is a support level from the weekly chart. As we all know, when there was a sharp fall in the market a couple of weeks ago, almost all the support levels were shattered, and we only had one support at that time, and that support was from the weekly chart. And right now we can see that market is slowly coming down to the support level. Okay. And considering all these factors of the Euro USD chart, we have got two trading opportunities here. Okay, two trading opportunities. First and foremost, considering the overall trend of the market and this downward channel here, best trading opportunity is to short the market at this resistance. Okay, just draw this trend line in your chart and wait for the market to go up and hit this resistance level. Right now market is in the middle. I have already said hundreds and hundreds of times that we do not need to trade in the middle. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So wait for the market to hit the resistance level up. When it will hit the resistance level, okay, then just observe the price. If you see price struggling near the resistance, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or price rejection from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and you can short the market then and there only. I'll not recommend you to buy at this trend line, because if you look at the chart carefully or if you observe the chart, then you can clearly see that this market is still under the dominance of sellers. This market is in downtrend, which means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And in a market scenario like this, it is always safe for traders to look for the selling opportunity only, because sellers are number of sellers are high in comparison to number of buyers. Okay, and the second best trading opportunity in this chart is this level, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart is the time frame of the big boys, the big pairs. Therefore, in the weekly chart, if market comes down to the weekly support level, then just observe the price. There is a good possibility that market will bounce from the support level. So in case market bounces from the support level, you can easily click on the buy button, because see, though market is in downtrend right now, but still you can see that there is no heavy selling pressure in the market. Try to understand the market psychology here. There is no heavy selling pressure. Yes, market is trading in a downward channel, but there is no sharp fall in the market. Therefore, there is a good possibility that if market comes down and takes support at the weekly support level, market may reverse or market bounce, and then you can go for buy order. And if we look at the currency strength meter, okay, currency strength meter, you can see that unlike the past week, okay, euro is quite strong this week. Yes, USD is also strong, but euro is also standing tall. And I have clearly spoken in my earlier videos that whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever we see two currencies of the equal strength, then we get a sideways market, or there is not much of a huge movement in the market because almost two currency pairs are of the equal strength. Therefore, do not expect a huge movement in the market. And as the euro is also quite strong, not like the previous week, therefore there is a possibility that market will take support at the weekly level and it will bounce. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY here, okay, US dollar currency index here, then I clearly told you that in my earlier video that market will be going up because this was a ascending triangle pattern. I clearly mentioned that ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, and as expected market broke the level, and right now market is trading above this level. So we know it from before only. I have been telling from the past 1 month that USD is strong, dollar is strong, therefore euro will be going down if dollar remains bullish, because we know it pretty well that if dollar starts going up, or if dollar will be going up, then currency pairs like euro will fall, pound will fall. Therefore, if dollar starts going up from here, then do not expect euro USD to be going up. Obviously euro USD will be going down. But let's see, there is not any sharp movement in the chart of US dollar right now. It is bullish but not sharp movement. Therefore, let's see. Okay, so just keep in mind that you have the best opportunity at the short term market at the resistance, and go for buy order if it reverses from the 4 hours time frame. And if you want to know the sentiment meter, okay, what is the sentiment going on in the market, then you just go to my website here, avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the uh, Forex Sentiment meter. In the Forex Sentiment meter, you can see that 33% retail traders have taken short position and 66% retail traders have already taken long position. And as we all know, my dear friend, the 90% retail traders lose money because they do not know to follow the trend. And this market is right now still falling. Keep in mind, this market is still under the dominance of sellers. This market is still under the influence of sellers. Therefore, there is a good possibility that these retail traders will be losing money again, because see, in this market you should mainly look for shorting opportunities, and they have taken long position. And I only told you to take long position at the weekly support. Okay, before that you should not take any buy position considering the overall trend of the market. Okay, so Forex Centimeter gives us a clear direction what the retail traders are doing. So I would request you to see the Forex sentiment meter as well. Okay. And if you want to check the Forex Heat Map, you can get the Forex Heat Map as well. In the Forex Heat Map, you can see that there is not much movement in the Euro USD chart. I have clearly explained you why there is not much movement, because almost they are of the equal strength as of today. So there is only a movement of 0.07%. Whereas currency pairs like CHF or is standing at 0.24%. Okay, this one is bullish. NZD is bearish today, and there's good movement in the New Zealand dollar. But where the color is very light, in those currency pairs there is not much movement here. So Forex Heat Map also gives us a good knowledge about the market. Okay. And if you go to the Forex volatility calculator, you can see that in the 4 hours chart there is only a movement of 14 pips, and in a daily chart there is only a movement of 60 pips. Therefore volatility is also very weak. Okay. So as we all know, it is not possible to make money from the market if there is no volatility in the market. So if you are looking for something big movements or huge movement for the day, then Euro USD is not the chart for you, my dear friend. Anyways, you have understood the strategy that you need to follow for Euro USD right now. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.